Hi ladies, I just wanted to make a nail prep video. Nail prep is very important when putting your Jamberry nails on correctly. In the past, I have suggested a spoon pusher with the cuticle scraper on one side and the cuticle pusher on the other side. You can still use this part when you're applying your jams and to heat and then press. Jamberry has come up with a cuticle solution, which I'm very excited about. It is the Cuticle Remover Pen. It is new in this catalog, so you no longer have to scrape with a harsh tool like this. This does work, but this is a much more gentle way of doing things. So I'm going to show you how to prep your nails correctly using the two new products that Jamberry provides, the Cuticle Remover Pen and the Nail Cleanser. So I'm going to move my camera down so you can see what I am doing and what I need. All you need is the Cuticle Remover Pen, an orange stick or a cuticle pusher, the nail cleanser, and a cotton ball, and a sink, but I have a bowl of warm soapy water right here. And you'll need a timer or a clock because you do not want to leave the cuticle remover on your nails for more than 3 minutes. So I set my timer to 2 minutes, so I know I have plenty of time. When you open it up, there's a brush on this end, the liquid's in the middle. So what I do is you can kind of like the bottom part clicks until you kind of see like a drop forming at the end of the brush. And so you can just take and add it to your nail. I start at the cuticle and just generously apply. There's no burning feeling. It doesn't dry out your skin. They say don't leave it on for more than 3 minutes. I'm gonna start my timer, but when I was practicing, I left it on longer to see what would happen, and I didn't notice any harsh side effects. So I started my timer, and I will be back in 2 minutes to show you how to continue. Okay, my cuticle remover has been on my nails for 2 minutes, so I'm going to take my orange stick and I'm just going to start from the middle of my nail and just push down and scrape. Because the cuticle remover is still wet on my nail, I can definitely see it's not flaky like the cuticle pusher or the spoon pusher would do, but it's a wet form of skin. I don't know if you can see that at all. It's really blurry, but it's kind of like a white a white film, and that is your invisible cuticle being scraped off. I'm just kind of starting. I'm starting in the middle and I'm pushing down in the downward motion. I'm not pushing down and rubbing back and forth. I'm pushing down and then I'm lifting it up and pushing again. So it might look like I'm going back and forth on my nail, but I'm just pushing in the downward motion. And you want to make sure that you get the sides as well, because some people I've talked to have gotten lifting on the sides, and so you just want to make sure you get down in the sides. I don't know if you can see those the white balls kind of at the bottom of my cuticle, but that's my cuticle coming off. So I'm just gonna continue. I did not do my thumb because I practiced on my thumb and my other hand, so these were my only fingers left. So just push down. This one's pretty good. Before this product came out, I've been using the spoon pusher, so my cuticles are pretty managed, but definitely helps with the bottom, the new growth. And for those of you who don't have a cuticle pusher, or a spoon pusher, I mean. So now that it's probably been about 3 minutes, there's no dryness or eating away or burning or anything. I'm going to soak my hand in soapy water. I have Dawn dish soap. I'm using my thumb. I'm kind of rubbing my nails. Or you can just wash your hands. I'm going to dry them. Pretty simple. You don't have dry skin flying everywhere as if you were to use the spoon pusher either, so that's a plus. Now that my hands are dried, I'm going to buff my nail. And now the nail cleanser. This is pretty cool. You just need a cotton ball, or you can use a one of those pads, facial pads, or anything similar. And you just set it on top, and you just pump it. One pump, or I kind of like to. I use a lot, but you only need really 1 or 2 pumps. And that's it. You just push down, it gets on there, and you wipe your nail, and you're ready to apply.